For investors, what do we do about taxes? Um, a couple of things. I think the personal tax industry is going through a bit of a pinch point when it comes to having adequate professionals in the industry that are willing to do personal tax returns. They're typically, there's not a lot of money to be made in it. Everybody has to have them done by the start of May or the end of April, and it's definitely putting some strain on the industry. So I know the account that I use will typically not have capacity to take on new clients unless they are bringing in larger business filings and they can justify bringing them in under the larger corporate envelope. A couple of things straight away. Make sure that you've got your investment property information siloed. So everything that works through your investment portfolio, be it mortgage payments, any of your expenses, property management, all the rent coming in, that should all be in one account. You can have multiple houses in one account, but that should not be mixed with any personal expenses. That's the easiest way to streamline your bookkeeping and get yourself prepared for your tax season. In terms of your expenses, definitely make sure that you're capturing everything that you use and some of the auxiliary expenses, like a portion of your cell phone bill, because you do need to have that on in case your tenants ever need you, portion of your gas, portion of your vehicle expenses, car lease, anything like that, because those are necessary requirements for you to operate that rental property. We can expand out on that list, but it's a little bit difficult, so you definitely want to reach out to your tax professional. I'm happy to liaise in a conversation there as well. There are a few other kind of next level strategies that we can get into in terms of ways to get at money from your real estate portfolio tax free, or at least flow the money through in a way that is acceptable by the CRA. Because ultimately, anything that we're doing, we want to make sure that if it is reviewed by them, it is seen to be above board. But there are a lot of different ways that you can power your lifestyle with the equity and the money that you've made in real estate, be it paying off your own mortgage, funding educations, trips, renovations. There are a lot of ways that we can do that in a tax efficient manner. You just got to talk to us so that we can help you plan.